Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am Benson the Realtor. In today's episode, we're going to be touring the Waterford community located in Conyers, Georgia. This floor plan right here is going to be the Waterford floor plan, and it has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. It does not have a basement, but if you do want a home that does have a basement, they definitely have those available as well. So the builder is going to be Smith Built Communities. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. As always, thanks for watching. My information will be in the description below. All right, y'all. So this is going to be lot number 1 right here inside of the Waterford community. Now, this home doesn't have a basement. It's actually on slab, so it's only 2 levels, but they do have other homes in the neighborhood that does have an unfinished basement. So if you prefer an unfinished basement, that can definitely be an option inside of this neighborhood. One of the features that I love in this Waterford community are the iron doors that they put on every house. They are very heavy and durable. These doors are also custom, so you can choose the design that you like. All right, y'all, welcome inside. This is going to be your front entrance. Now, to the right coming in, you'll have the dining room area right here. This person chose for it to be black. To the left, you'll have the study room. Again, this is the Waterford plan, which features the staircase to the side. So you have 2 plans that actually have the side staircase, which would be the Waterford and the Avalon plan. In front of the staircase, you have a guest bathroom, which is a full bathroom that also connects with your guest bedroom on the main level. So this is going to be your guest bedroom, which is on the main level. So this is your family room. The high ceilings, just love the windows in this house. And this is going to be your fireplace right here, which is all electric. Here's a view of your catwalk from the main level. Here's your kitchen right here. Now, all of the light fixtures are custom. You'll be able to choose all of the light fixtures that you like. Also, you're able to choose the backsplash, colors of the countertops, and the colors of the flooring as well. Now, the cabinets that goes all the way up to the ceiling, that's an add-on. It usually stops a little bit below the top of the ceiling. As you can see, this is going to be your backyard. All lots in this community are an average of about 0.75 acres. It goes all the way up to 3 acres. But they only side about a 1/4 acre of the lot. So it actually goes all the way back. Also, your exterior color for the brick is also custom. You're able to choose which color you like. So your appliances, you do have the stove, microwave, dishwasher, but it doesn't come with the refrigerator. All right, are y'all ready to see upstairs? let's head on up. All right, so the first bedroom, immediately once you come up the stairs, is going to be the master bedroom. And to the right, you have your laundry room. Just love the ceilings, how they painted it black. Fireplace bedroom, which is all electric as well. Going to be the master bathroom. You have the double vanities, bowl tub, nice shower with the bench. Now the bench is an add-on, so if you did want to add a bench in the shower, that would be an upgrade. It's going to be your water closet. And you are able to choose the colors of the shower as well as the flooring in all of your bathrooms as well. Now, all of the closets in the primary bedrooms are huge. You'll have like a his and her side. Now, the wire racks, you don't have to have the wire racks installed. If you wanted to have custom closets, that is an upgrade as well, or you could just have them not put in the wire racks. So this is going to be another secondary bedroom. This would actually be bedroom number 3. This is the bathroom inside bedroom number 3. And this is the closet. Which is pretty decent size as well. All right, and on this end right here, you will have a Jack and Jill room, Jack and Jack or Jill and Jill. Closet. Have the shared bathroom. All right, and this will be your 5th bedroom right here, which overlooks the neighborhood. And this will be the Waterford community. Y'all let me know what y'all think. If you would like more information about this community, feel free to give me a call. Also, like I said, you do have an option for the basement lots. If you prefer a basement, you could also have that as well. Hey, thanks for sticking around. I hope you enjoyed this home tour. Once again, my name is Vincent, the Realtor. I really appreciate you viewing. If you have any questions about this home or any other home in Georgia, feel free to give me a call. My information will be in the description below. If you would like a custom home built, you can also hit me up, give me a call. As always, again, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.